Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I guide you to see the repost on Instagram. Now if you want to see the repost on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed Instagram on a device. So if you have not installed it, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And make sure that you are also connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So after that, you just need to open Instagram on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar, and you'll see the stories shared by your friends or followers at the very upper taskbar. Now to see the repost, you just need to open your post. So you may click on the option of your profile at the very bottom right of the screen, and here you just need to open the post and click on the option of three dots at the very top right. So here you'll see the option which says tap story reshares. That only appears if someone has shared a story. So if you are a professional, so if you are using professional Instagram account, and you'll see the option of view story reshares, and you'll see the account that has reshared their stories, and you'll see the account that has reshared it to their story. Now if you have to see your own repost, then you just need to go on the profile icon again and click on the option of three straight lines at the very top right. So this is the settings and activity page, and here you'll see the option of your activity. So click on it, and from here you'll see the option of likes, comment, repost, tags, and all of it. So click on the option of repost, and here you'll see the number of reposts which you have done from yourself. So this is all the reposts which I have done, and you'll be also able to see it like this. So that's it. That's how you can see the repost on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.